Hello everyone, my name is Beaver and I don't normally do an unboxing video, but today is a very special occasion. So if you talk to me on Facebook, you might knew already what's in this box. So let's open it up. This is a special delivery straight from Italy. So I'm very excited. Oh, I usually do this much more neatly, but well, I am too excited to wait. Come on. Yeah. Just tear it open like that. And here it is. Boom. All right. And here it is. A special order straight from Italy. And of course, a motor and a battery. So a little bit of background. This is my first GL Racing car, and I had a choice between this and Atomic DRZ V2. I decided to go with this because in the past I had a little bit of let's say quality issue with the Atomic, so I decided to go with GL. Well, I'll leave this for later. I'll open this one first. This is a barrel from GL Racing, which I guess it should go into the car very nicely. It should fit snugly in the car. It comes with only plug, which is a JSTPH 2mm 3-pin, and a motor, which is pretty extraordinary. I have a story behind this. My order from Surpass Hobby didn't arrive, so I thought I'll have to get something to get this car running. So I decided just to get the best, which is the Ensotec Swerve 3500 kV, and to use with the sensorless ESC first, and when I save enough money I'm gonna get the censored ESC, and that's why I got this motor. Now let's take a look at the car. Wow, the box is really nice. Wow. A bunch of stickers. The chassis plate. It's supposed to be 94mm wheelbase. Now we have the electronics with all the components in separated bags with labeled. Wow. I don't think someone already I think you know already that I already got this ESC, which is the best ESC for sensorless, brushless. And let's take a look at the servo. I actually have a bit of a problem with this servo because it is pretty well known to be dodgy. So I'm gonna take it out and see if the replacement I prepare is the same size. I have this, which is a very cheap servo that, from the looks of it, it is the same size. However, it is a tiny bit longer at the back, so I guess it should fit inside the car pretty nicely without any problem. If this one gives me any problem later. Yeah. So let's take a look at some components. This is a ball differential, so I can adjust the tension, which is really nice. I'll probably try to lock it first anyway. So I'll try to lock it first and then try to open it up a little bit and see if the handling changes. And here is the servo mount, which is the thing I would like to test. Oh. Here it is. The plastic looks really nice. Let's see if the servo fit. Of course, it is original one. It is going to fit. So it left the back open, so I can use any servo that is roughly the same size as this one. And my sheep replacement, it fits perfectly, and that's fantastic because this one is probably $15 or $16. Wow. Let's see if there is anything else in this bag. So the motor mount is aluminum, which is perfect, and the steering rack is also aluminum. Impressive. Let's take a look at all the bearings. I'm gonna clean them first. So someone asked me how I clean my bearings. A simple answer is I use WD-40, which you can find it in any supermarket. And here are all the screws. From what I can see, the quality issue came back to haunt me again, because one of these screws doesn't have a thread. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm gonna try to zoom in. You see this one? It doesn't have a thread. But anyway, it is M2 4mm, so I think I can find a replacement pretty easily anyway. And finally, I forgot to mention this earlier, but it is a kit with partial electronics, so they sell this with ESC and servo included in the box, but you'll have to provide your own motor, radio, transmitter and receiver, battery, and a gyro, wheels and tires, and a body. And that's pretty much my unboxing for GLD. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the build and review. Bye.